I told my own children last night, and their reaction was similar to yours. Like, do you understand what you did? Like, do you understand?
These 4 Kammerer Middle School staff members don't want you to call them heroes, but for 11-year-old 6th grader Noah Mattingly and his parents, that's exactly what they are.
They will be forever special in my heart to me. I mean, they saved my baby.
It was Tuesday afternoon at Kammerer. Noah was playing outside with classmates when he began to feel a little dizzy. His teacher sat him on a bench, then noticed he was losing consciousness. The emergency call went out on the school's radios, and Nurse Stephanie Spear, Assistant Principal Brian Aulick, Safety Administrator Jack Miller, and Security Monitor Shannon Pierce all responded immediately, starting sternum rubs, but getting little response from Noah.
Seeing his eyes roll back and not breathing at certain points, not having a pulse, blue, everything that everyone describes of a dead body. I mean, we had that.
At one point, I did not feel a pulse either in his neck, and that by that time I had my stethoscope and I could not hear a heartbeat. So that's when we started CPR.
There was a couple minutes there where, I believe he wasn't with us.
No.
Pierce and Aulick rushed outside with an automated external defibrillator, an AED, which are in every JCPS school. Miller placed it on Noah, shocking him once with the well-trained team following the AED's instructions to continue CPR. Finally, after 7 minutes, a gasp of air from Noah.
So he was back breathing with a pulse when EMS arrived. They took over and we were relieved.
It was pretty scary. I'm not even going to pretend like it wasn't, but I think all of us, we acted. It wasn't even a thinking. It was like, I'm going to take over for you, the communication that we had. Our team did so great. I couldn't be more proud of anybody right now, but I never want to have to do that again. I will, but I really would like to not have to do that ever again.
But he did ask me if he died.
He said, so they're heroes? And I said, yes, because they're heroes.
We're also hoping that the story will also show the other family members and the public and throughout Jefferson County that JCPS does care for our children.
Yeah, they care a lot on a personal level, not just a teacher or a principal. That's their kids when they're at school, and they'll do anything for them, even if that means doing CPR for 7 minutes in the middle of a playground, which is what happened here. They kept him alive for 7 minutes till EMS arrived on scene.
At Norton Children's Hospital, it was discovered that Noah had an undetected defect that sends extra electrical pulses to his heart. That's now been repaired with surgery. But if he'd had this episode anywhere but at school, well...
He got lucky. It was lucky that if you can find anything positive, he is lucky that it happened here at that time.
Yeah.
Because if that would have happened on a bus or at home in the middle of the night...
We wouldn't have him.
Correct.
We wouldn't have this special kid. He comes to see me every single day at noon. And he's just a joy. He's just a joy. I love him.
God was watching him, and God gave him the people right there to save him.